Namba ya Akenya aria mamukirite njanjo guuku bururi-ini no itanyitwo guthii na mbere kuongerereka na o ni thutha wa ministry ya ugima wa mwiri kwamukira njanjo 500,000 ma inya muthemba wa Johnson Johson muthenya wa ira. Thirikari yugite kuri na kigina gya kuigana kugura njanjo milioni 13 muthemba wa Johnson Johson. Minister wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahikagwe akiuga gukinyiria muthia-ini wa mwaka uyu thirikari ni gukorwo ikinyaniirie itanya riayo ria kuhe njanjo makiria ya andu milioni 10.
The vaccine supply situation has now been greatly improved. In the next 2 weeks, we shall have received and supplied all doses required for us to receive our target of 10 million people by December.
Maya mokite riri thirikari iregeretie imwe ya mikana iragathikitwo niguo kuhitana na kinguki gya corona ona kuhanura uguo Akenya makihinyiririo guthi na mbere guthingata mawatho na mitaratara na makiria gwitikira kwiyumiria kwamukira njanjo.
It's very easy to have the situation get out of hand and rise in infections again. I therefore want to once again appeal to Kenyans not to relent and ensure that they get vaccinated. I appeal to younger people to ensure that their parents are vaccinated and to urge them to do so and to make arrangements for them to do so.
Gukinyiria riu Kenya yamukirite njanjo milioni 7, 505,500 na 820. Iria ni mithemba ngurani ari hamwe na AstraZeneca, Johnson Johson, Moderna, Pfizer na Sinopharm. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.